before I had my breakout year where, I acquired 75 units in 1 year. January 1st of that year, my mentor told me, he's like, Daniel, stop setting goals, set standards and expectations. Therefore, you can reverse engineer what needs to be done every single day. And I think success is a compound equation of little things that are done every single day over a longer period of time consistently. Do you surround yourself with people? And that's one of the things we do so well in our companies. Is, do you surround yourself with people who have the same vision? There's a great scripture and there's a verse in the Bible where it says, where there is no vision, the people perish. And I think a lot of people perish financially for that exact reason. At the end of the day, we can get into the mumbo jumbo, and I'm sure you do with a lot of other episodes about certain tax strategies, certain real estate creation strategies, certain cash flow strategies. And, our companies teach that, and I implement it myself with my wife and I and our family finances, and my brother does as well. But at the end of the day, if someone's not constantly learning and they don't have a system in place where they're continuing to learn and do all those things, then it's virtually impossible for someone to obtain that financial freedom, to obtain that financial peace. There's a great quote by James Clear, who's the author of Atomic Habits. He says, don't rise to the level of your confidence, rise or fall to the level of your systems and your preparation. And I think that applies to so many different areas of your life. And, same thing in my story, right? Before I had my breakout year where, I acquired 75 units in 1 year, January 1st of that year, my mentor told me, he's like, Daniel, stop setting goals, set standards and expectations. Therefore, you can reverse engineer what needs to be done every single day. And I think success is a compound equation of little things that are done every single day over a longer period of time consistently and with excellence. I think that concepts apply probably more in when it comes to finances than anything else. Like if you look at the disparity in income between races, right? And I'm going to go there. I know it's 2023 and everyone's super, sensitive, but I'll go there, right? Let's call it what it is, right? There's certain communities in our country that, their average credit score is lower, their income is lower, and all those different things. And then there's other communities in our country where that's not the case. It's actually the complete opposite. You look at the differences between those two communities, and like one community, they constantly are talking ideas. There's a higher level of education expectation. There's, the nuclear family is more intact. And so I don't think it's an accident that, these concepts proven over hundreds and hundreds of years have played themselves out. And we can use those same concepts to apply to our very own lives as well. So I don't know if that makes sense, but I think you kind of get what I'm communicating.
Absolutely. It sounds like surrounding yourself with people who have the same vision and the same standards and expectations for excellence. And that's going to naturally help you to level up and to overcome in ensuring financial peace.